That's about 2 months of literally waiting for my Yeezy Pods, bro, and we finally got them. So this is I'm gonna cover my address, but this is the package that they received, that they came in. They came through USPS, so I kind of had to wait to go to my mailbox, and that's why it took another day. Cause I don't know why I thought that they would come in a box, because I'm like, they're literally socks. So yeah, they came in this small package, and this is the time we're gonna figure out, are they really $20 worth? Are they even $20 worth? Was it worth all of this pain and suffering, all of this time waiting? Because bro, I made a whole separate video explaining, all the trials and tribulations that we have to go through to even, and some people probably still haven't got these. If you got these in the mail, let me know. If you haven't, let me know if you're still waiting. But I had got my email. Well, here's the thing, right? They sent out a wave of emails. They sent out an initial email saying, hey, we're working on the orders, da da da.